Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about GoDaddy domain connections to your Google sites, and it's really simple. So connecting GoDaddy domain to your Google site is simple. So they are trying to connect this custom domain to Google site, but again can't get it to work, and it's really simple. So what they did is they added custom domain in the settings right here. So custom, and then now they set up the DNS. After that they waited 24 hours, but they cannot see the customer domain right here. So this has been answered, and let's actually check it out and how it works. So here, naked domains. So basically, if your domain provider lets you redirect your naked domain, you must have to verify it and then use Google Domains that uses synthetic records, so you can get both the HTTP or the HTTPS. So those are the top level domain redirected as demonstrated. So here you will actually have to verify ownership of your domain if that does not work. So sometimes it won't really show up and really confirm, because first you have to verify ownership of your domain. This is one of the problems that I have found recently. So you have to go to your Google Search Console and then navigate panel, add property or search property, then click the add property, and then in the domain you must have to enter the domain you want to verify. Click continue and then follow the instructions for any DNS provider. Copy the TXT record basically from your Google Search Console and add it to your DNS record so that it will be verified. And then once you've done that, click verify, and there you go. So that's how you connect. So to actually connect it, you will have to go to your GoDaddy product page, scroll down to websites and marketing, or it can be digital marketing dashboard, expand marketing overview, and then from there, you will have to select the list of your Google search and maps to get found online. So once you have that already, you will have to connect a listing, fill out your business and details, sign in with your Google account, find the listing, and then submit. So it's just that simple. So it will take up to 3 days to verify that listing, of course, which takes time, but basically that's how you do it. So that is how you connect your GoDaddy domain connection to Google Sites. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.